Latching onto the tagline of portable functionality, ROIK has been producing interesting designs like this City wallet since 2016, so stick around. Welcome to Walletopia. We appreciate you being here. As always, go to walletopia.info to register. We always send out fun things. Now, Walletopia is where you go when you want to know anything and everything there is about the world of wallets. We purchase all of them so we can review them with no biases involved. Well, of course, maybe mine, but I try to take care of that. So now, the ROIK City wallet, along with their other designs, are striking in their precision. And we'll talk about what that means. So let's get into it. All right, the ROIK City wallet. Open its box here. We have a nice kind of cotton felt pocket. And oh, okay, we have good instructions here. Let's take a look. Introducing you to the new ROIK City wallet. Tells you how to utilize it, cards and cash. Notice, up to 10 cards. It gives you that instruction. That's nice. And nice little slip bag here. And here is the ROIK wallet. And this is precision, and we'll show you why, exactly how things work with it. So some exterior access, interior access. We look at the stitching on this. See that the leather rolls on the outside. Interesting little design. Quite like this. This is the Blue Lagoon color. And I'm sorry, but when I think of ROIK and City and Blue Lagoon, it brings to mind a fantastical place. Ah, yes. If you've never been to the Blue Lagoon, 30 minutes outside of Reykjavik in Iceland, wow, you should go. So relaxing. Yeah, it's just a fantastic place. Sorry. On to the feature review of the ROIK City wallet. Right, with the ROIK, we say, what do we have on the exterior? We have 2 card slots here. And both these card slots are not RFID. Yes, that's a good thing. If we flip this over, we go to the interior. We have 2 card slots, one on each side here. And each of these card slots, as well as this interior in the back, is fine. Just don't prevent me from using quick access cards on the exterior. And so we've got the 1, the 2, and then on the interior, and I love how this opens up in this flap here, which is really nice, that it fits unfolded Euro bills in this pocket, which is really excellent. And has very, very tight dimensions for cards, which we'll show you in the card and cash insertion test, but let me show you there. And it sits with all of the pockets in this wallet that same way. And that's a review of the features of the ROIK City wallet. Now into the card and cash insertion test. All right, this was really interesting. So this is made, it's made in Europe, and as such, the interesting part comes when you get to cash. So I put 6 cards in here. It says it can handle up to 10, and I put 5 slips of US cash in there folded once. Now you would have noticed that the euros, I didn't have to fold them. This was made in Europe, and it's made from a width perspective to handle the euros without a problem. And of course the yen, even though it's the same height as euros, its length is actually the same as a US currency, so it doesn't really work very well. Business cards do fit fine in here as well, and so it can handle up to 10, and it depends on the currency and the card combination or ratio you want to have in there. From a quality perspective, it's designed and manufactured in Spain, and it's handcrafted using premium leather, whatever that means. I couldn't determine what kind it exactly is. It is a thin cut, however, because of really the precision of this particular wallet. It comes in 8 colors. $57, ordered from Emporio Katana, as their home site cannot ship to the United States. So if you want that, look at the link below. It is very thin and something I would enjoy carrying in my front pocket, honestly. It's easy to pull cards out quickly, and you just use your thumb in the corner really to grab and pull them up like this. Or if you have them in your hand, you just use your thumb, pull up like that. Use your thumb, open up, hey, I want this card. I mean, it's really a great design for quick access in pulling cards out. And when you want cash, not having to dig under a pocket because it's sewn at the top is great because it's open and you're able to get into your cash quickly this way. The design is really nice on this. It measures 3.7 by 2.8 by 0.4 and it weighs 36 grams. Has a 3-year guarantee on it, and it was created by two 30-year-olds, Rosa and Eric, never liked to carry cumbersome and heavy wallets, and so they decided to come up with something like this. Their goal has therefore become to design a thin, comfortable, and less cumbersome type of wallet. The entire production of ROIK wallet is carried out by hand in a workshop in Obrek, a land with a long tradition in the production of leather products, and it reminds me of its Arab past. The artisans who produce them there have been working for 4 generations on small leather goods, so they know what they're doing. And this really is a neat little wallet. I like this one a lot. So now let's get on to the final score. For quality of 4, price of 3, features of 3, usability of 4, and perception of 3. That gives us a final score of 36 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. If you want to know the rankings of our wallets, go to walletopia.info/rankings. Other videos here could be interesting related to this or other wallets. And of course, the notes below have more information in there for you if you want to check out this wallet or find other things that could be fun. We will visit you in the next review. Thanks for watching. Bye.